So I'd say probably about 30% time savings of my team that we would have had to spend trying to track down the cause of problems. My name's Matt Olsen. I'm the Facility and Reliability Manager here at Bentek. We're a manufacturing facility here in San Jose. I've been using Limble here for managing all aspects of the facility and machine reliability. Previously to using Limble in a facility with no system, no CMMS, it would involve a lot of walking around, talking to equipment operators. Things would be broken. I would walk out on the shop floor and I would see equipment broken and operators standing around the equipment, and communication was done by email. To me, Limble stood out for a couple reasons. There's the fact that it was so easy to implement, basically got all the important parts of it were all done in one day. Another thing I love about Limble is that in the Manage Work screen, it shows all open work orders. You can see what's overdue, you can see how overdue it is, who it's assigned to, and then it's real easy to send out reminders to the team. I also have QR codes on all of our machines so that the operators can submit work orders anytime they have a problem. This is some of the brand new machines where first thing I did when we got these machines is I put the QR codes on them. These are our injection molding machines. Same thing, they've all got QR codes for submitting a work request. To me, that's really helpful because we don't want the operators to try to fix the machines themselves. So the easier it is for them to submit a work order, the more likely that they'll actually use the system. Over here are all the air tools that we calibrate. We do torque testing on these every 2 weeks. So I've got to keep track of all the torque settings for all the different tools. The customer support with Limble is amazing. I've been really impressed with how easy it is to get a hold of somebody. The response is right away. Everybody who uses Limble has been super impressed. As an example, this specific person who had all their work orders completed on time, when I saw that, I called him in and I showed it to him. I said, hey, you're doing a good job. Take a look at this. Everything you're doing is on time. I just wanted you to know that we see this. I'm really proud of what I'm doing and the efficiency and the way I do it. I really feel like it makes a big impact. Everybody who uses Limble has been super impressed. When somebody submits a work order, their response is right away. Right from the beginning, I wanted everybody to know that Limble worked. The more people trusted it, the more they would use it. So when somebody submits a work order, it's like they turn around and there's already somebody there to help them.